Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Fair News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. Petrol prices has gone up by rupees 3.20 per litre, diesels by rupees 2.97 per litre, and kerosene is 3 rupees per litre increased. The prices will be applicable from 12 at midnight. Mariam Nawaz said in the press conference that petrol prices have been increased twice in the same month. And you said what opposition wants. We want to save people from you. Bilawal Bhutto said that the rulers sitting on the chairs are busy raising the prices of petrols and electricity. The people are suffering the consequence of the incompetence of federal government. Gas crisis persisted in country. Gas supply to industries in Punjab has been cut off by Soy Northern Gas Company. Up to 2 rupees increases in electricity bills is likely to be increased in the basic electricity tariff. The electricity tariff is currently at rupees 13.35 and will increase to rupees 15.35 paisas. Prime Minister Imran Khan said that in the past political requirements in the police was a loss to peoples. Many such requirements were made on political grounds. PM Imran Khan said that merit and appointments taxes performances in Punjab needs to be improved. All appointments should be made on merit and performances. Passengers of PIE plan detained in Kuala Lumpur departed and allowed to return homes. The plane was taken into custody due to non-payment of leases dues. The best team of the home series against South Africa has been announced.